Hi, boys and girls. The second grade teachers are here to share another math lesson with you. So today's math lesson, by the end of it, you can say, I can use math drawings to show subtraction with up to 2 decompositions. So to get started, we are going to practice some addition. It says, remember to start in the ones column. The right side of the problem, it is highlighted in yellow for you. So I see 9 plus 9. If you don't know that off the top of your head, remember you can put one number in your hand and count on to find the answer. I know 9 plus 9 is 18, so I'm going to put the 8 at the bottom and put my 1 in the tens column. Now I'm ready to solve 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. Let's check our answer. Correct. All right, let's try another one. Look at this problem. Again, remember to start in the ones column. It's highlighted in this activity. I see 4 plus 6. I'm going to put 4 in my hand and count up 6. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 4 plus 6 is 10, so I'm going to put my 0 at the bottom and my 1 up top in the tens column again. 1 plus 6 is, if you said 7, you would be right. Let's check our answer. Yes. All right. One more. Just like the last two, we're going to start in the ones column. This time I see 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7. That's 14. I'm going to put my 4 down here, my 1 in the tens column. 1 plus 4 is 5. Let's check our answer. Yes, 54. We got it. All right, boys and girls, now let's look at the rest of our math lesson.
Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to do our application problem, and we're going to do the read, draw, write method. It says Denise has 23 fewer pennies than Kaya. Kaya has 45 pennies. Now, let's think about it. How many pennies does Denise have? How many pennies do Kaya and Denise have all together? So, what numbers are we working with? 23, let's circle out 23, and 45. Now let's make that in an equation. We need to find out how many pennies does Denise have, and then we need to find out how many pennies do Kaya and Denise have all together. So are we going to add or are we going to subtract? So I know that A is 45, okay? Kaya has 45. Now, let's think about it. 45 minus 23. Now, even though that is horizontally, we can also work that the vertical way. Now, let's think about it. 45 minus 23. So, if I know that 5 take away 3 is, if you said 2, that is correct. And then 4 minus 2 is, you're right, 2. So 45 minus 23 is 22. So Denise has 22 fewer pennies than Kaya. Now, if we want to check our answer, we have to do what? Do we need to add or do we need to subtract? If you said add, you're exactly right. So to find our answer, to see if it was correct, we need to add 45 plus 22. Now let's think about it. 5 plus 2 is 7, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So let's think about it. They have 67 pennies all together. If you said 67, you were exactly right.
Awesome. Way to go, guys. We're going to now dive into our concept development. So this should look familiar. So I see here 584 minus 147. You see the vertical way that is done for us on the left, and we're going to keep that kind of as our guide as we go through. But we know that good mathematicians always do two different ways. So let's do the drawing way. Our first step is we have to put our whole number on this place value chart. So let's count. We have 584, and then it looks like, ooh, I see it subtract 147, but I only have 4 ones over there. So what do you think I'm gonna do? You're exactly right. I'm gonna have to take one of my 10s and unbundle it and give 10 ones to my ones column. There we go. Do I have enough to subtract 7 now? I sure do. So let's go ahead and take out 7, and it does it one by one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. Let's see how many we're left with. We're going to count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Yep. Excellent. Sorry, our clicking and my counting is not really adding up, and that's our animation. So just give us a little bit of a break. Okay, so now can we take out our 10s that what we need to take out? Yep, because I can take 4 10s from what was left from our 8 10s. Perfect. And now I needed to take one of my hundreds because my 147 has 100. So let's see what we are left with. So Ms. Thompson, you can go ahead and click through, and let's see what we are finished with. Amazing, 137. In order to check our work, because good mathematicians always check their work, we're going to add back 137 because that was our answer, plus 147. Because remember, part, whole, and our whole absolutely does give us 584. Okay, on the next slide, you're going to have your problem set for the week. We're going to have 5 problems, and then tomorrow we will check back, and we're going to be sending your families our answer key. So what we're expecting you to do is to write down problems 1 through 5, and then show us how you solved your work and explain why you chose this strategy. So you can use any of the strategies you would like. You can use the number bond way, vertical way, drawing way, any way that you would like to do, as long as you explain why you chose your strategy, okay? So that is your problem set. We will be checking it tomorrow, and just as a reminder, our goal today was that you can use math drawings to show subtraction in multiple ways. So I would love for you to try and do multiple ways. Do more than one. Don't just do the drawing way, and don't just do the vertical way. Really challenge yourself. And we miss you guys, and we will see you next week. Ms. Smith,